Mommy!
Yes, son?
Grandfather!
Yes, my son?
Look come in the living room. Me have something to tell you now.
Hold on. What the blink you? Your grandson, I call you.
I don't know, mommy, sit down over there, son. So, grandfather, there.
Oh, man, come no, man.
Grandfather, you always a drink.
And this keep me alive. Hey? Me drink this every day to keep me alive.
Sit down there, sir.
Sit down, son, old man. Sit down, son. How are you do now?
Grandfather, why you always think you do something? Me not do nothing this time.
Cuz,
So, mom, why you look so?
what happened? Talk, no man, talk. Me have things to do. Talk.
Me a talk, wait now. You remember the girl I did show you last week?
What girl? What girl the girl get AIDS?
Grandfather know that.
What happened to her?
Anyway, mommy, she get pregnant.
Before you glad tell the boy get somebody pregnant. Remember say you get pregnant when you're 16, you know. At least in wait till man 18 before you get a girl pregnant. I don't know though, you know, I want lick the pregnant. Lick. Don't lick me now. Alright. You better go on, sir. What the fuck? You have someone to carry the girl, you go?
Yes, sir.
Where? You have pay bills here?
No, mommy.
If me know you, boy. You work?
No, mommy.
Grandson!
Grandfather, you got my suitcase.
Grandson, you know I'm more in your bedroom. Come, grandson, come.
Mommy, you make grandfather. What?
Hey, if I'm like you, me go on, you know. Come out! Grandson, me say, come on!
My grandfather care about his suitcase, mommy.
But what suitcase, but if you think your man in here, and you get one pregnant, you